It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Well, back on the KA engine. Today I'm gonna just tear it down and show you guys everything inside of it and see if anything else is wrong, or because I actually didn't hear anything when I did have it running a few times. It sounded very good, but I want to check the main bearings, the rod bearings, make sure those are okay, and they're going to get replaced anyway. And also check the rings and pistons, make sure there's no cracks in the pistons, which I don't think it is, and to make sure the rings are okay, and make sure there's no scarring in the cylinders or anything like that. And then just take another closer look at the valves, make sure that's all okay, and check for any cracks in the head. But I'm gonna go more in depth in that when we actually really start inspecting it. Right now I'm just doing a quick tear down so I can see what's inside. I forgot to push record. I only took off the exhaust headers covers off, so that's all I did for right now. So the next thing I'm gonna do is remove the bracket and start taking off the exhaust. I got all my tools laid out like I was a doctor, which you could say I am, doctor on repair, kinda. But yeah, so I'm about to power through it. Wish me luck. Good luck. So I had to go to AutoZone and get this, it's called a Honda Accurate crank dampener holding tool. So it locks it in place, and then you can just zip it off. Just like that. This one was actually brand new. I'll probably end up keeping it because I need one. It wouldn't hurt to have one. So when I had pulled this up, it had like a spring and some kind of little doohickey in there, and if you move them individually, it'll pop out. So I'm putting zip ties around it so they'll move together without falling out. Alrighty guys, that's it for today. I got it all apart, got everything sitting in there so I could take it up and get it clean and start putting it back together. I didn't find anything out of the ordinary, like any bearing damage, so that's good. So luckily I could just go back with a stock OEM bill, so I don't have to do 10 over on the pistons or the bearings or none of that stuff. So it looks pretty good. I mean, it's just super dirty, but that's not a problem whatsoever. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that cleaned up, and then the next video should be on putting it back together. So I will keep you guys on I'm tired. I'm tired, but I'll keep you guys up to date and posting videos when we getting the engine cleaned up and putting it back together. I'll probably start filming putting everything back together, and then we'll go from there. After I get it all put back together, test it, and then a video after with me putting it back in and buttoning it back all up. Any questions or anything, please hit me up. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys then.